mga ka-travelers. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa property ng St. Lawrence Church. Nandito. Yan. Yan mga ka-travelers. Yan mga turista. Dumarating. Turista. Japanese. Ayan. Mga turista galing Hapon. Mga turistang galing Hapon. Yan. Japanese. Sa inside nito ay Vittoriosa Museum, Sword and Hat of Jill de la Valette. So, the oratory of Saint Joseph. This was the meeting place of one of the oldest confraternities or guild in the island would gather for prayers. The confraternity is composed mainly of carpenters and other woodworkers. The oratory is annexed to an old chapel dedicated to Our Lady of Damascus, where Grand Master Lavalette left his hat and sword as a thanksgiving for the victory in the Great Siege of 1565. They can still be seen up to this day. Property of St. Lawrence. So yan. Yan mga ka-travelers. Yan, nakikita nyo yan mga ka-travelers. Mga Japanese po mga kanina, mga Japanese yan, Japanese people, sila yung mga. Thank you for watching, see you next video, bye bye, God bless.